Hi friends. So in the previous video we talked about creating an issue and an overview of the issue details screen, and in this video we will take a deeper look at various other functionalities that Jira provides with the create issue screen. Okay. So let me start with creating an issue. I'll click on the create issue button, and I'll say the project is my portal. Issue type I'll say bug. Okay, and the improve performance of patient registration screen. Okay, this is the defect. I'll say comment component. Also assign the versions here into me, and I'll say create an issue. Let me go ahead and attach some file also. So mp11 is created, and now we saw edit issue last time and we saw the issue details screen. There are some more options that you can do with the Jira issue. In order to look at that, click on this more button. We have a log work is related to time tracking, for which we have a separate video. Okay. Attach file. So if I click on this, if I want to attach any file, I can choose my file here and I'll say dtemp. I'll attach one file, let's say this one, and attach. So this file is attached here. If I want to attach a screenshot directly, let's say you already have something open. For example, there's some error that has come up in my system, and I want to take a screenshot of this. I'll directly take a screenshot, whether it's with the print screen or with any other tool, and paste it here, and you say upload. So screenshot is uploaded here. Voters is nothing but you can configure the voters for your issue. Stop watching, you can see the watchers as well. So currently I am the watcher, and then if you want to add a watcher called, let's say, Peter Leddy, you can add a watcher. And back. So with the watchers, what happens is if you are the watcher of any issue, any change, and it depends upon the notification scheme, but any change that happens in the issue, you will get the notification of that. For example, if it is closed, if it is done, you will get a notification. If it is a start in progress, you will get a notification here. Next is create subtask. So Jira provides two levels of issue types. One is a task. One is a issue type, standard issue type. Another is a subtask issue type. So subtask is nothing but your task, whether it's a bug or a feature or a task, can be broken further into subtasks to manage it refinedly. If for your improved performance, there are three developers who can work parallelly on various various pieces of improvement, and you want to really track that, and in spite of you don't want to create three new issues, but they are small enough to be in one, you can actually just go ahead and create a subtask here. Okay, and the issue type is subtask. There are Jira will allow you to define the subtask issue type if you want, let's say technical issue type or testing issue type or doc issue, subtask issue type. You can define that, and I'll say this is database review profile. Okay, this is one subtask, and then maybe I'll get another subtask which will be assigned to someone else, saying that review database calls. There could be number of subtasks that you can assign. So these are the subtasks. The subtasks will have its own workflow that may be different. You can configure different from your original workflow, and that can be assigned to someone, and that can be that can be done. So once that is done, you can then close this. So that was about the subtask. Second is move the issue. So now, for example, if you have created this issue MP11, and once this is created, you found that the fix is not in this my portal project. The code changes are required in another project, which is anyway defined in your Jira. So you can actually directly move that to another project. For example, I'll say click on this move, and current project is my portal. You can define the new project, let's say financial management system. Your current issue type is bug. Maybe for the new project it's not a bug, it's a story or a new feature. You can do that and click on. Performance will not be there, but I'll say bug. Okay, and next. See, so this gives you a summary. Confirm this and say move. So once you do that, it's moved. As you can see, FMS1 is created. So even if now you do MP11, sometimes you find that it will actually redirect to FMS1 because that is moved to the another project. All your attachments and screenshots, everything will be moved accordingly. Even your subtasks will be moved. So you see, if your subtasks are still in FMS2, your subtask also gets moved to FMS2, and this will become FMS3. Right. So this is a very good, very helpful feature where typically in a large organization there are number of projects and there are interdependencies as well. Okay, and in a product you find that the issue is found in while testing one product, but then the code changes will be in another product. So in order to manage that effectively, you can move that so that that issue now is in the list of another project. Another example is link. Now what happens is you have two related projects. Jira allows you to link two issues with various link types. For example, if there are two duplicate issues, the issues of maybe by mistake, or there was one already existing and then you created new, but two exactly same duplicate issues, you can link them as duplicate. Okay, you can clone them. For example, I have number of code lines in one project. I want to fix an issue in this latest code line as well as in this code line. Instead of creating a new issue, I will clone the issue. Okay, and all the details will be available, and I will fix it in the previous code line as well. Right. So let's look at the link here. I'll click on link. So, and I want to link it to. So these are the link types. We saw clones, we saw duplicates. Blocked is if you are blocked by some other product, other issue. Okay, only if that issue is completed, you will be able to finish this issue. You can say by blocks. Or if it is relates to, meaning if you do one type of code change, these two will be resolved. You can say relates to. Okay, and and then the link can be in the same, or it could be from a different project. So click on link, and you see here the link gets added. Okay, the status of this is done. If there is a strike through on this issue number, that means the status is done. Okay, and we also saw clone. For example, if you as I said, if you want to fix in the previous version, you can just clone. Click on clone, and you can include less attachments and links as well, and say create, clone the subtask as well. So FMS4 with exactly the same things, except that this clone prefix will be added to the summary. Okay. So if it is with a clone prefix, it's a clone of some issue, and then you can assign that schedule that issue accordingly. So this was about the cloning. Labels, we can add the label. So I'll say I can select the label from here, my label, or if I want to, I can generate the label on the fly, and that will be then available in the drop down. So Labels will help you to find issues later. I can always delete an issue, but which is not advisable. Also, this is controlled by permissions, but because I have an Jira administrator rights, I will see this issue here, this option here. Thank you.